Hi, welcome back to Data Finance 365. I'll talk about data, tech, and all things personal finance. In today's video, we have the new GoPro 13 Black. This one was released this week. I had pre-ordered mine a few days ago and I just arrived. In today's video, we'll do a quick unboxing of the GoPro 13 Black. It looks very sleek. I love the box design, very minimalist in look. GoPro is known for pushing the boundaries in action cameras, and this 13 Black GoPro is no exception. Some of the core features we have: 5.3K 60 video, 4K 120 for very smooth slow-mo for the first time, and also we have 2.7K 240 video and 13x burst slow-mo at 720p. This GoPro actually comes with a set of optional HD series lenses, which are the ND filters, ultra-wide lens, macro, anamorphic lens as well. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. First thing you notice, it says your camera must be updated before you can use it, so make sure you do that. And then what comes here are a series of paperwork, subscription information, camera replacement if it gets damaged or broken, some GoPro stickers, and also some product information. Put it on the side, and here we have it, the USB-C to USB-C cable with the GoPro insignia. Looks very nice. And also we have a new battery. The size of this battery is 1900 milliamps, slightly larger than the previous generation GoPro, which is this one, which has this L-shaped cutout. You can barely see how that looks in terms of design compared to the other one. It's an Enduro battery and guaranteed more battery life. I would guess a couple hours, but I'll check more details. I'll take these on test. Then we have some mounts for your bike or your helmet. This is the other accessories which comes with the GoPro. This one, you know how to use this. Thumb screw. But here we have it. This is a new GoPro. I love that they have these stickers on it. We'll just go ahead and open those. I can see how different this looks from the previous generations. I'll just slide it out. This is a new GoPro 13 Black. And obviously we have the 13 Black insignia. Another sticker at the back for the screen. And so far so good. I like what I see. There are some slight changes in terms of design, and this feels slightly lighter than the previous generation. We have a very nice looking lens, and there's a heat sink here which lets it dissipate heat, because the previous generation GoPro gets very hot and then it shuts off. And just to show you the difference, I'm going to set this one down here. I do have the 11 GoPro. This is the 11 Black, and you can see how different this looks at the base, especially. See how that looks. And then this is a new one on the left. You can see the differences. So different style mounts up here, different accessories, and the heat sink at the front. This is a new one. And then you have the 11, and how different those look from this perspective. Of course, if you have the older Hero 7, this is a 7. And also we have the 9, which was also the previous generation GoPro 9, which had the 9 on the side with the gray color. The others are blue. Put it on the side, push this out, and let's go ahead and pop the battery. And I hope there's enough juice to power this GoPro. I'm gonna open this and slide this in. Okay. Go ahead and press the power. It's pretty loud as well. So first things first, I'll set this down here and also grab my phone so we can launch the GoPro app. Looks like we need to have a software update. I'll go to the App Store, update the GoPro quick. And I'm hoping this one brings in the 13 camera setup. And there was a software update needed, so we just did that. I'm gonna click on the GoPro bottom right corner and add a new camera. It's gonna search for the camera. Before we continue, I can see the GoPro Hero 13 Black just appeared. Load the SD card right here. There we go. Same position as the previous generation. Then I'm gonna turn it on. So it is on. I'm going to select GoPro. My camera is on. And then I'm going to select my language again. I'm going to agree to the legal setup. Turn on GPS. GPS enables awesome features for your videos, including optional data overlays. I'm going to activate voice control as well. Voice control language is English. I'm going to say confirm. And I'm going to connect now to the GoPro. It says we found your GoPro. Connect camera. Now the pairing action is happening. I'm just going to say pair. And there we have it. You heard the beep. It just connected to the GoPro. The pairing action should take a couple of seconds, maybe about 10 to 20 seconds to connect. And I'm just going to leave the name as default. You can change the name later if you prefer, which is just naming your GoPro. I'm going to save it and it's going to connect. And the new name is saved. It's going to see another message. Let's make sure you're getting all of the latest features, improvements. So you make sure you have 5 to 10 minutes to spare and access the internet. So it's connecting to the camera's Wi-Fi right here in order to do the firmware update or software update. So I'm going to join the network. So just basically follow the prompts one after the other. It's going to give you some camera update options, shows you what features are getting updated on the camera. I'm going to click on continue, accept the license agreement. Almost done, go anywhere. And you can see now there's a message downloading the software. Hopefully that's coming across on the camera. So the update should take about 5 minutes because when you get your GoPro, the battery is charged up. So you have about, I'd say 20% of charge in the battery. And you can see we are updating on the app. You can see the status right here. 72% camera update still happening. So almost done. So 94, 95%. And we're almost there installing the update. So I'm just gonna pause this and come back when it finishes. And it looks like the update is complete and we're all good to go. And first things first, first impressions, looks very nice. I like what I see. I'm gonna press record and test it out. It looks to have even better low light capabilities on this new GoPro 13. And that's a quick look at the GoPro 13 Black. It's a new GoPro came out this week. And I'll post another video of comparisons between this and the previous generation and a few other videos, samples. And that's pretty much it. The new GoPro 13. See you next time. Stay positive. Peace.